For sending billing and statements out to your customers, if you are using one of those transparent envelopes like this, where you have the labels, Wise Option allows you to adjust the position for the addresses. And we're going to show you today how to adjust for your particular envelope you have for billing day. So click on from main screen on Tools and Options. Once you get there, on the very first General tab, click on Branch Properties. Select the particular branch you are working with. Click on Edit button. And Statement and Invoice Settings. This is the same place where you put your logo for the statements. But here up here on the tab for Format, you're going to have two frames with envelope labels. This is for the from address, and this is for the to address. From and to. This is the position in case you're printing the statement, and these are the positions in case you're just printing a single invoice. So if I click here in Images and I click on the View, just to take a look at what we are talking about, every time you change that, this is the from and this is the to label, and that's what you're going to put here in your format. Try to start with the small numbers and see how that affects every time you print. Save, close, and keep doing the adjustments until you get to the final results for the best location, for the best position in your transparent labels on the envelopes. So today you've learned how to adjust label addresses on statements and invoices for transparent labels with envelopes in Wise Option. Thanks.